what we call hard water. How do I know water is hard? There are two basic type of water. Do you know water that you drink, that you use in taking your bath, or water you use in doing all your domestic choices? They are of two types. We have hard water and we have what? Soft water. Now, today's video, we want to look at what? Hard water. Now, what do you mean by hard water? Hard water is that type of water that does not form foam when you add soap or detergent. What do we mean by work? Now, what causes this water hardness? Like I said, water hardness is the type of water that does not lather, that does not form foam when you add your detergent or you add your what? Your soap. Now, there are two major types of what? Hard water. One is we have temporary and permanent. We have temporary hardness of water and we have what? Permanent hardness of what? Water. What causes these two types of water? In your jam, they will give you the kind of ion and they will ask you to identify the ion that causes what? This hardness of water. Now, there are two major types of ion that causes hardness of water. One is calcium ion and we have what? Magnesium ion. These are the two major causes of what? Hardness of what? Water. The presence of them in the water, it causes what? Water to be what? Hard. One way you can use and know hard water is by what? The taste. Hard water tastes very good, very nice. Of course, we know that one of the characteristics of water is that water is what? Tasteless. But in case of hard water, it tastes very sweet because of what? It dissolves what? Minerals. Now, I have said that we have two types of water, temporary and what? Permanent. What causes temporary hardness of water? When these two things, either calcium and magnesium are combined with what? Carbonate. The presence of calcium or magnesium in what? Carbonate. When they mix with the what? Carbonate, they cause what we call what? Temporary hardness of what? Water. Are you following? For example, we have calcium CO3 2 or what? Magnesium CO3 2. This is what causes what? Hardness of what? Water, called temporary hardness. Temporary hardness are caused by these two, but the ions in jam or WAEC, they will simply acid the ion. The combination of these two causes what? Hardness of what? Water. Let's look at what are the ways you can use in removing this temporary hardness of water. If water is hard, it doesn't mean that is fine and you can remove it. How do you remove it? You either boil that water, that's number one way, or you add what? You add what we call slaked lime. Slaked lime, the formula is Ca, that is called calcium hydroxide. Or you add what? You add washing soda. Washing soda is NaC. Temporary. You add this two things to remove what? Temporary hardness of water. Now, how about permanent hardness of water? Permanent hardness of water is caused by these two salts combining with what? Sulfate. We have CaSO4 and what? MgSO4. When these two ions combine with sulfate, they form what we call permanent hardness of what? Water. Permanent means that you cannot easily remove it by what? By boiling. Remember, this temporary can be removed in in three ways. One, you boil it. Two, you add what? Your slaked lime, or you add your washing soda. But in permanent, ways in which you can use and remove permanent hardness of water, we have what? One, we have addition of what? Washing soda. We have washing soda. Addition of what? Caustic soda. Caustic soda is sodium what? Hydroxide. Then, for those of you watching this video for the first time, this is OJ Mike YouTube channel. You can as well follow us on Facebook on OJ Mike Online Chemistry. Do well to subscribe, like, and what? Comment, share my video so that I can help those who are preparing for JAMB. Thank you. Bye bye.